have a few things here that I purchased for my DJI Action 5 Pro.
Hi, this is Yellow Yum, sharing my finds that are worth your money.
Here is the original case or cage. So as you can see, ito lang yung sa charging port niya, yun open. This side is closed. So every time I need to change batteries, kailangan ko pa siyang tanggalin ng ganito. Medyo mahassle siya. Even though this is good, kasi it's very lightweight, pero nahahaselan ako dito sa battery part. So this time, ito, it's easier na, ayun. So every time I need to change batteries now, mas madali kasi dito na lang, then you can open it easily. Then you still have access to your switch, and this is the charging port. Still have access to this one, the magnet side. This one is also magnetic. Then you have your cold shoe right there. So pwede mo pa rin siyang ikabit dito, or if you're gonna do it landscape, pwede pa rin. Next thing that I bought is an extra one. So testing natin. Yun, kasha. Dito din. Yun, kasha. And maayos din. Last one is this mini tripod na binili ko. Kasi, ito yung kasama dun sa kit when you buy the Adventure Combo. Ito yung kasama niya. And as you can see, hindi mo siya pwedeng stand. And all my other tripods, medyo mahaba na. And given that this is already long, gusto ko lang na maikli. Para lang maitayo siya. So, I bought this one. This is very inexpensive. Kailangan ko lang talaga ng pangtatayo. And let's see. Let's see. Ayan. Yan na. So, may stand na siya. There you go. I'll put everything in my yellow basket.